Hey guys, this is Steve McMillan here. Going over some more Turo training. This app here, Fair app, is absolutely game changing. Pretty much what you get to do with Fair is you could rent out a car either weekly, monthly. It's short term loans. We'll let you take a look here. What is Fair? Fair is an app that lets you get a car right on your phone and return it whenever you want. They have deals as far as with Uber as well. And so the commitment free with no long-term contracts. Fair gives you the freedom to drive the car you want as long as you want and the flexibility to walk away at any time. Your fair price guarantee. And so as you can see, you probably know where I'm headed with this as far as with Turo. Now you can absolutely maximize your income and be able to scale even further as far as with Turo, now that you can browse as far as your cars. All right, let's take a look here at some cars. I was just looking at a Bentley GT, but let's look at all cars here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear that. Well, let's uncheck that and clear filter. Okay, real quick. Okay, so let's take a look. You see, so some of these cars with as low as $150. So let's say you're having this car ran 40, maybe even $50 a day. Of course, all it has to do is get rented out 3 times within the month to be able to literally get taken care of. So this is an absolute game changer. And you can see the $160 ones, the Hyundai Ascent, all 165, 170. And so you're pretty much getting an idea as far as where I'm going, as far as where you can actually be able to maximize your income on Turo. And so I highly recommend getting Turo. I highly recommend getting Fair. It's an absolute game changer here. So definitely make sure that you are definitely trying it out, see if it fits as far as with your business plan and your game plan.